Hi friends, this is Katie from the Parish Group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we are going to learn about seasonal image headers. I initially presented this tip as part of the New England Slate user group Quick Wins a few weeks ago, and was asked to provide it as formal documentation. I am delighted to because this is one really fun little trick. So our build is in two parts today. We're going to get started with a content block under Deliver. You can see the key of seasonal image here, and that was built as an inclusive date range block. I did set a default value that can be seen under Edit. Then, I have 4 value ranges that are built as month and day. These can really be any ranges, but I opted to more or less just divide the year into quadrants. In an ideal world, these would each then have a seasonal image in them to highlight your beautiful campus in all 4 seasons. In my instance, I just used some really nice campus photography that we had on hand. With that built, we can jump to our sample mailing. Our fake query only has one export at this point, and it's labeled as date. If we click into this export, we can see it's pulling the system current date with a format mask of month and day in order to match the content block values. If we breadcrumb back to our message, we can then see the code that pulls in our export value as well as our content block. And now we have a dynamic email that will change appearance based on the season. This is a great tip for making your drip campaigns feel up to date and fresh for all of your audiences. The Parish Group is a Slate Platinum partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.